Best highest dividend paying stocks. Over the past 10 years, the Indian stock market has seen its fair share of ups and downs. However, some companies have consistently rewarded their investors with high dividend payouts. Here are some of the best dividend-paying stocks in India over the last 10 years. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. TCS is India's largest IT services company, and it has consistently paid high dividends to its investors over the last decade. In the fiscal year 2020-21, TCS paid a total dividend of 15 rupees per share, which translates to a dividend yield of 1.5%. Hindustan Unilever Limited, HUL is a consumer goods company that has a strong presence in India. Over the last 10 years, the company has consistently paid high dividends to its investors. In the fiscal year 2020-21, HUL paid a total dividend of 18 rupees per share, which translates to a dividend yield of 1.7%. Infosys is another large IT services company that has consistently paid high dividends over the last decade. In the fiscal year 2020-21, Infosys paid a total dividend of 31 rupees per share, which translates to a dividend yield of 1.7%. Coal India Limited. Coal India Limited is a government-owned mining company that has consistently paid high dividends over the last 10 years. In the fiscal year 2020-21, the company paid a total dividend of 12 rupees per share, which translates to a dividend yield of 8.8%. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC. ONGC is a government-owned oil and gas exploration company that has consistently paid high dividends over the last 10 years. In the fiscal year 2020-21, ONGC paid a total dividend of Rs. 5.25 per share, which translates to a dividend yield of 5.7%. INEOS Hydrolution India Limited. In the past 1 year, the company has paid out dividends of 297 rupees, while its share price is currently at 875 rupees, hence it has a dividend yield of almost 34%. Its share price has fallen by 40.28% in the last 1 year. Vedanta Limited. The company gave 77 rupees and 50 paise as dividends in the last 1 year, and its current share price stands at 292 rupees and 55 paise. Therefore, it has had a 26.5% dividend yield in the year 2022. However, its stock has largely overall not given much returns, with a fall of 0.85% in the last 1 year. Indian Oil Corporation Limited. The dividend yield of the company stands at 16.8% given that it paid a dividend of 11 rupees and 40 paise in the past 12 months, while its current share price stands at 67 rupees and 85 paise. Its stock price, however, has fallen by 22.13% in the last 1 year. Rural Electrification Corporation Limited. It is a subsidiary of Power Finance Corporation Limited, and it gave a dividend of 15 rupees and 30 paise per share with a current share price of 95 rupees and 75 paise. This means its shareholders enjoy a dividend yield of 16%. In the last 12 months, its stock price has fallen by 19.56%. Power Finance Corporation Limited. It gave 12 rupees per share as dividend and has a current market price of 105 rupees and 90 paise, which makes its dividend yield equal to 11.33%. However, in the last year, its stock price has fallen by 24.88%. National Mineral Development Corporation Limited. It gave a dividend of 14 rupees and 74 paise in the last 12 months, and its current share price is 132 rupees and 85 paise, which gives its shareholders a dividend yield of around 11.1%. Its stock price has fallen by 8.25% in the past 12 months. Steel Authority of India Limited. This CPSE stock has given a dividend of 8 rupees and 75 paise with a current market price of 82 rupees and 30 paise, which gives its shareholders a dividend yield of 10.6%. Its stock price has however fallen by 29.47% in the past 12 months. Bharat Electronics Limited Dash. This CPSE stock has given a dividend of 4 rupees and 50 paise per share, each share currently being priced at 105 rupees and 95 paise, thus giving a dividend yield of 4.25%. Even better, its stock price has skyrocketed this year by 54.93% in the last 12 months. National Thermal Power Corporation Dash. This is also a CPSE whose stock has given a dividend of Rs 7/share, which gives its investors a dividend yield of 4.19% at a price of 166 rupees and 95 paise per share. Its share price has increased by 10.41% in the past 1 year. Union Bank of India Dash. The stock has given dividend yield of 4.13% by giving a dividend of 1 rupee and 90 paise in the past 12 months, while the price of the stock is 45 rupees and 95 paise. The stock price has grown by 1.77% in the past year. Toparia Tools Limited. Narmada Gelatins Limited. TV Today Network Limited. Vedanta Limited. The Indian Card Clot. India Infrastructure. Hindustan Zinc Limited. IDFC Limited. RSWM Limited. Styrenix Performance. IRB INVIT Fund. Sanofi India Limited. Banco Products. Forbes and Company Limited and P&B Gilts Limited. In conclusion, these stocks have been some of the best dividend-paying stocks in India over the last 10 years. It is important to note that past performance is not a guarantee of future returns, and investors should do their own research before making any investment decisions. It is also important to consider factors such as the company's financial health, industry trends, and macroeconomic conditions before investing in any stock.